Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send games to another Nintendo Switch from your account. So if you have two Nintendo Switches, this is very easy to do. Let's go on down to System Settings and scroll on down in here, and we want to go to Users. Then go to the right and go to where it says Transfer Your Data. Communicate with another console to transfer the information and save data for a specific user. So let's go to Transfer Your Data. Now it says communicate with another console to transfer the information and save data for a specific user. Transfer information and save data will be deleted from the source console. So you're going to transfer this user and all their games over to a new Nintendo Switch. So then we can go to Next. Downloadable software purchased by the transferred user will no longer be playable on the source console. The target console will be set as the primary console for the user's Nintendo account. Any purchased software can be re-downloaded from the Nintendo eShop. We can go to Next now. Close the software, okay. And it's closing this. And it says transferring users. Please be prepared and go to the first Nintendo Switch and go to Source Console. Then on your second Nintendo Switch, go to Target Console. So select which console you have. So let's go to Source Console here. Select the user you want to transfer. And this following information will be transferred, okay? We can go to Continue now. And then put the other console into the receiving console, the one I showed you. And then you can go to Transfer right here. I'll transfer all that information over. It says Target Console. Learn how to prepare that. So just go to what we did before and you should be good to go. You can transfer your account and the games and the data. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech-up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.